Hey everyone, you all experienced the irritant, annoying cough that doesn't leave you no matter what you do, right? So today we are going to tell you some easy home remedies that are based on Ayurvedic science that can really help you to get rid of that cough. First of all, the cough is a defense mechanism that helps protect your body from irritants. So first rule is don't try to stop or suppress the cough. Cough is actually of two types, dry cough and wet cough. It's also called productive cough. It is caused by any irritant particle in throat, and it is caused by pollution, hormone imbalance, and generally any infection. But the alcohol intake and cigarette smoking can also lead to a long-term cough. Okay, let's see how you can get rid of that cough. First, I will tell you some measures for the dry cough. 1. Golden milk. Add 1 spoon of turmeric and half spoon of black pepper powder to warm milk and take 2 glasses of this per day. 2. Honey. Pure honey is one of the best medicine for any kind of cough because it has antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. You can take honey as it is or mix it with a glass of water and drink twice a day. But remember one thing, never use the honey warm or hot. You shouldn't subject the honey to heat, otherwise it becomes toxic. 3. Apple. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. In case of dry cough, it's absolutely correct. Take apple daily and the dry cough goes away. Now let's see some remedies for wet or productive cough. 1. Garlic. Garlic is the best way to reduce cough with phlegm. Take raw garlic pieces and eat them once a day, or you can use it in food. 2. Take 2 pieces of clove and a pinch of rock salt. Keep them in your mouth and drink the juice produced in your mouth. The phlegm liquefies and you will get rid of the cough. 3. Take a betel leaf. Place a small piece of onion, 2 black pepper, 2 tulsi leaves, and eat that by continuous chewing. You can also use ginger along these. With these remedies, you will get rid of your cough quickly. But if you have cough for more than 2 weeks or if you find any blood in your mouth while coughing, visit your physician. If you like the video, give it a thumbs and share with your friends. If you want more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel.